Hey everybody, Ryan Neal, President of Blueprint Technologies. Just wanted to reach out and give you guys a little bit of an announcement about the changes we're making in 2019 with the leadership team. So first I want to say thanks to the 2018 leadership team. That consisted of Danielle Funston, Tom Taylor, Chris Carter, Gary Nakanalua, Heather Glynn, Susie Dalbo, I don't want to forget anybody, Tom Hallstrom, and Mary Cronkite-Johns. So, yeah, thank you guys for your hard work this year. You guys did an awesome job. For those of you who guys don't have much visibility into what happens with the leadership team, this leadership team guided us through a lot of different really difficult aspects of the company's changes. The very first one that we kicked off was the company rebrand to Blueprint Technologies, which is a very difficult thing to do for any company. The leadership team did a great job with that. We also launched our first product conduit. For a consulting company to actually launch a product is a difficult thing. So that's a very big accomplishment for the leadership team. And then they also did a great job overseeing our expansion into our regions, really kicking off and driving our success in the South Central region and then opening up the Northeast region, which we'll continue to do in 2019. They did this all through really effective decision-making, hardcore analysis about the changing landscape, iterative pivoting, and then also just taking a real positive approach to having challenges come our way and seeing them as positive opportunities for the company, which is something that's really core to what we do well. So as we move into 2019, we're going to make not too many changes. One's going to be a little bit significant, but hopefully it should position us a lot better for growth in 2019. The first one is we're going to actually separate the leadership team into two different groups. The first is going to be the executive leadership team, the ELT, and that's going to consist of myself, Danielle Funston, Tom Taylor, Chris Carter, and Gary Nakanalua. So this group is going to be responsible for heading up our strategy, observing the landscape of what's going on in the technology industry with our partners as well as our clients, and then making sure that we do the right analysis and put the strategic plan in place for the next 1 to 3 years for our success. We're also going to be opening up a senior leadership team, the SLT, which is going to be headed by Heather Glynn. The senior leadership team has been nominated by the 2018 leadership team, and it's all based on a certain set of characteristics that have to do with who has actually shown themselves in 2018 to be the leaders of the company. The reason why we chose this team is because that team is going to be responsible for executing on that strategic plan on a quarter-by-quarter basis. It has nothing to do with your title. It has nothing to do with your tenure or seniority in the company. As you guys know, those don't mean anything in this company. It all has to do with the characteristics that we find to be an effective leader and an influencer, as well as the commitment to our core values. So stay tuned for that. Heather will be reaching out to you, all the nominees directly to see if you guys are interested in pitching for the SLT. We're kicking off 2019 really, really strong. And this team is going to be absolutely critical to our success. So thanks everybody for your hard work, and stay tuned for more details.